parts out to Arizona. After the three of us pulled it out, then the guy took, supposed to be 2 weeks, of course it was 6, 7 weeks. Finally sent it back to us, run it. I told him, run it before we bring it back here, because I don't want to bring it back here and see if we can get it started and play with the timing and everything, to get it timed, get the carburetor tuned, and get it right. So he did all that stuff, he sent it back. Then I had something I had to do the other weekend, so they both came up and worked on it here by themselves and put the engine back in it. Then I finished up putting the hood back on it, and I mounted the coil on a little thing here. Then I laid in there, mounted up here on a little bracket. I put a couple brackets in here to keep this from running, so you can take the radiator cap off. You couldn't get it off here and jammed up. I did a bunch of little stuff, did this. But now it runs good, it drives good. I've driven it probably 30, 40 miles. Driving it around a little bit to run it. So it's ready to go. The gas tank's full. It's ready to go.
What gas is it on?
93. Go pump it into the pump and go. And you don't have to worry about nothing.
I don't know what to say.
These boys worked their asses off. They were greasy when they got done. It was a lot of work. But they got it done.
Well, I guess it's ready to go to the turkey run, huh?
It is. Hey, that's exactly what it's for.
Can I borrow your trunk?
Yeah, you tell us. You got the truck. But honestly, you can drive it over there.
Really?
Oh, let's go for a drive. That's the whole idea. Me and you and the two boys.